Olive oil and extra virgin olive oil. What's the differences? Selecting the best cooking oil is no longer a straightforward task. With a wide range of options such as vegetable, olive, hempseed, canola, coconut, avocado, sesame, extra virgin olive oil, and herb-infused oils, the choices can feel overwhelming. How do you decide which one to pick? What do they taste like? And are some healthier than others? In this article, we'll focus on olive oil versus extra virgin olive oil, as these are two of the most commonly used oils in households and kitchens. 1. The main differences. Olive oil is a popular choice for baking, dressing, and frying due to its low saturated fat content. A tablespoon of olive oil contains approximately 1.9 grams of saturated fat, 10.3 grams of monounsaturated fat, and 1.2 grams of polyunsaturated fat. It's also rich in polyphenol antioxidants and fat-soluble vitamin E. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, is commonly used in salad dressings, dips, and stir-fries because it has a stronger olive flavor. It's made by cold-pressing olives and their pits without using heat or chemicals. Virgin olive oil comes from the second pressing, offering a lighter taste. The terms extra virgin and virgin refer to how the oil is produced, with extra virgin olive oil being the least processed. 2. Any difference in flavors? Oils are typically processed using chemicals and heat to increase their shelf life, which benefits the food industry but not your health. This processing strips away much of the oil's natural flavors and nutrients. In contrast, fresh, unprocessed extra virgin olive oil retains its natural taste and nutrients. It often has a fruity flavor, since olives are a fruit, along with a hint of bitterness and a peppery finish. If the oil tastes metallic, musty, or lacks flavor altogether, it's a sign that the oil has either spoiled or been overly processed. 3. Olive oil versus extra virgin olive oil on health benefits. While both regular olive oil and extra virgin olive oil have the same calorie and fat content, extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, offers more health benefits. It contains higher levels of nutrients like antioxidants, magnesium, chlorophyll, and vitamins K, A, and E, which are often lost in regular olive oil due to the heat and chemicals used during processing. However, when heated, extra virgin olive oil loses many of its beneficial properties, particularly antioxidants. This means that cooking with EVOO can reduce its health advantages, making it similar to using refined oils like vegetable oil. Additionally, the standards for labeling olive oil as extra virgin are not always enforced. Many brands fail to meet the true criteria for pure extra virgin olive oil, and international guidelines vary. As a result, some oils marketed as extra virgin may not be genuine. 4. So, should you buy extra virgin olive oil? There is often a significant price gap between olive oil and extra virgin olive oil, but the higher cost of extra virgin olive oil can be justified. For cold dishes and salad dressings, extra virgin olive oil is the ideal choice. However, if you're primarily using it for cooking, opting for the less expensive regular olive oil or vegetable oil might be more practical. Since heating extra virgin olive oil diminishes many of its health benefits, it often offers little advantage over regular olive oil when used in cooking. You might also be curious about other types of olive oil, such as pure olive oil and light virgin olive oil. How do these differ from extra virgin and regular olive oil? Pure olive oil is a blend of processed olive oil and extra virgin olive oil, with only about 5% being extra virgin. It's typically less expensive than extra virgin olive oil and is a good option for baking since it has a milder olive flavor. Light or extra light olive oil is among the lowest quality olive oils. It undergoes heavy chemical processing to remove impurities, resulting in a lighter color and flavor. This type of oil is often mixed with other oils like canola, making it more affordable and ideal for baking, as it lacks any olive taste. To rank olive oils from best to worst in quality, extra virgin olive oil, pure olive oil, regular olive oil, and finally, light olive oil. While these oils are similar when used in cooking, extra virgin olive oil is the top choice for dishes where the oil isn't heated. However, it's important to remember that even the best quality oil isn't a substitute for vegetables. It should only be considered a healthier fat or oil option. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.